you know, I cannot I this so almost finished, and it's already 12:44. Still hungry now, but I'm almost done. So yes, no need to vacuum, no need to wash it, because they say just vacuum it and that's fine. So we're done, guys. So it's lunchtime now. So I made a pita bread last night. Pita bread. I made it last night for dinner, and I hope I have some rice. I have rice here, and I don't know what else I got. So maybe I have some. Oh, I got some fish here, which leftover from last night from the salad. So I'm going to eat rice and fish, which is the leftover the other day, and. So, this is my leftover kamote Q, with my coffee this morning, and I still have. So I will keep that later when I'm finished my work for again tomorrow morning for my breakfast. So this is Ebony. You see, Ebony. Hello to the vlog, Ebony. She don't have a leg, you know, she don't have a leg, but she's very sweet. She used to hunt. I think she used to went to the forest to hunt the boar, because there's a lot of boar in here, and I think she trapped in one of those, you know, trap with the boar, and she trapped herself, and then she had something wrong in her leg, and they had to take it out, otherwise she will damage, she will, you know, she will die or something. So she doesn't have a leg, but she's very sweet. She's very sweet. No, even she's very sweet. And that's my dog. This is Samba. Hey, Samba. It's a mix. You see that he's so lovely. He's a very sweet, very huge, sweet dog. And there is another one. He's also very sweet. He's very sweet. He's kind of timid sometimes. He's sweet, but he gets very scared very easily, because I think the last time owner treated him badly. And there's another dog here. His name is Dao Dao. Dao Dao. Say hi to the vlog, Dao Dao. He is not really, he's friendly, he's nice, but I think he's not very sure, because he is also from the shelter, so he's kind of not very sure what's going on, so he's not really trusted people. He's not biting, but he's not just very friendly, like do your thing and I do my thing, don't bother me. So here's the update of my garden. This is a tomato. You cannot see because of the sun glaring at my bag, and I have this baby tomato. They are a cherry tomato, and they are 2 weeks old, and I have a few. And let's go to my garden. This is a bitter gourd. It's already start making fruit, so it's time to take it down. And this is a turmeric, and a few lemongrass there. And this is my okra. My okra is suffering from the sun because it's very hot. And I have pumpkin. I already have one pumpkin grow from that plant, and I have some chilies here. They made fruit last winter, and then after that they never did anymore because it's too hot in here. So this is my garden. That area there, I'm going to put my I think cabbage next year, and carrot and beetroot and parsnip. And this area I'm going to put my tomato in here, and I think some sweet peas in here, and some celery and stuff. And this one I need to take it down because they are not really making fruit anymore, and it's already winter here, so they're not gonna survive. So we also made a compost. I have my compost. This is my compost. This is the brown stuff, and this is the green stuff in the bottom. So I covered it and reset for at least 3 weeks, I think, and then you can use it for the plant. And that big tub also, that also is composted. I just made it yesterday, so I'm not going to mix it in 2 weeks time, and then I will mix later when I'm sure that things has already started to break down. And this is the grass. I just cut the grass the other day. It's been raining 2 weeks continuously, and then one day it's become sunny, so I quickly cut the grass. And yesterday is also a bit raining, and today it's been sunny and it's very hot. I think it's about, I don't know how much the temperature today, but the temperature is bringing to 29 to 30 degrees, and hopefully next month is going to be slow down so that I can start my winter plant. I have, you know, passion fruit. I have passion fruit in that wall there. They are making some fruits already, just very tiny, but today is so hot to get out there. I also have some pineapple outside. And oh, by the way, I want to show you my pumpkin that I get from my plants. This is my pumpkin. Look at that. It's very big and it's very huge. I don't know what kind of pumpkin is this, but that's all I get from my pumpkin. There's an insect that always bite my pumpkin. They bite my pumpkin and they lay eggs on it, and then the whole pumpkin will be rotted. So that kind of frustrated sometimes, because we don't really use hard spray here. That is very harmful because we have a dog and we have some fish in the fish pond also, so you cannot really spray. And my boss doesn't want to spray those harsh insecticide. You know, I really love gardening, and I hope someday when I get to the US, I really want to have my own garden, because I really love garden. I really love to eat vegetable that I plant, more organic, you know. And this is what I did. I did gardening. I did some cuttings, and I put it into the bag, and I throw it in the rubbish later. Because the weather is nice, so I decided just to cut some, trim bit, you know, cut it off. And this all the collection that I had. And now it's packing time. I'm going to pack my stuff, my cutting plant, and then I will throw it to the rubbish. So I'm just very exhausted. So that's all for today, guys, and see you again next week. And I will throw the rubbish, and I'm going to make dinner, and then after that see what happened, and still have things to do. And see you again next week. Please take care, and I love you for all, and thank you very much for all the love and the support, for watching our ads. Thank you very much, and all take care, and love you all. Bye.